Whether you are buying a home or making a property investment, an essential step in the process is to get your lawyer to thoroughly research the legal title to the land. The report on title sets out all the information your lawyer has collected about the legal title to the property and explains what it means for you as a buyer. When you understand the title information, you are in control of the decision about whether or not to buy, and if you do, what to expect in relation to your ownership of the land. Most reports on title are divided into sections, and they give you more than just title information. Typically, the report covers what you are physically buying, whether the seller has the right to sell to you, charges on the land, for example mortgages, rights for the owner or neighbours that benefit or burden the land, the seller's answers to your lawyer's questions on title called pre-contract inquiries, the results of your searches, and any other relevant information such as reporting on a mortgage offer. Your lawyer will find out whether the land is unregistered or registered at the land registry, whether it is freehold or leasehold, and whether the seller is actually the owner or whether they are selling on behalf of someone else. The report may include a plan of the property which shows who owns and maintains the boundaries. The plan can also show whether there are other parcels of land included in the title, like garages in another location or parking spaces in a common area. It is advisable to visit the property to check the boundaries yourself against any available plans. Your lawyer can visit the property with you if there are any aspects that require more detailed investigation. The report on title reveals any unusual rights and interests affecting the land for the benefit of other people or parcels of land. These are sometimes referred to as third-party rights or easements and covenants. It is essential for you to understand how these rights benefit or burden the land, as they can have a positive or negative effect on your future enjoyment of the property. Covenants preventing you from building on the land or extending the property, rights for your neighbours to services that cross the land, rights to use gates or shared driveways, rights of way for the general public or farm animals, all must be weighed up before you buy. There may also be charges or mortgages on the land as security for the seller's loans with banks or lenders. Your lawyer will ensure the seller's loans are paid off before completion, so you get a clean title and your lender can register their security as a mortgage if required. Your lawyer uncovers risks connected with these third-party rights, as they often pass from owner to owner with the land and cannot be modified easily. You can then buy knowing what you are taking on. Your lawyer will ask the buyer specific questions about the property information gathered, the searches, and title matters. These are called inquiries before contract. The seller will have answered a set of pre-contract questions. It is a good idea to go through the questions your lawyer is going to ask yourself. You may know the area well. You may have other information from viewing the property, arranging a survey, and speaking to the sellers and to the agents direct. You need to let your lawyer know if there are any non-standard additional questions you would like answered. The report on title will include a section summarising the seller's lawyer's replies to these inquiries and any non-standard questions raised. It will also include a section on the search results. See our video explainer on searches for more information. The report on title will include a statement or recommendation from your lawyer to confirm that the property title is good and marketable or comes with some risks. You are now equipped to decide whether or not to proceed to exchange of contracts, and you can sign and return the contract to your lawyer in readiness for the next step. Don't leave the biggest investment of your life to chance.